This is Sea Talk, your ocean news. Dams have greatly restricted the habitat accessible to diadromous fish, which occupy freshwater and the ocean at different life history stages. American shad live most of their lives in the ocean, but return to freshwater to reproduce. Juveniles spend a portion of their early life inhabiting rivers. Other diadromous fish species include American eel, river herring, striped bass, and Atlantic sturgeon. To address the problem, Wilmington nonprofit Brandywine Shad 2020 is working to remove or modify the 11 dams along the Brandywine River in Delaware. The collaborative effort includes experts from the University of Delaware, state and federal agencies, and environmental nonprofits. This summer, Delaware Sea Grant led research to evaluate the impact of the first dam removal and found more than 150 young shad from a sample in a stretch of the river that had previously been unavailable. Sea Talk is a public service announcement from the University of Delaware, Delaware Sea Grant, and this station.